Hi everyone, Travis Bradbury here from MasterPoint Rope Access Solutions. And I'd like to take this time to thank you for visiting us and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Today is going to be the start of the series of videos that is geared specifically towards you, the end user, the client. Now, there are a lot of videos out there on the internet pertaining to rope access, and a lot of those videos are geared towards other rope technicians or other rope companies. They're very technical, they're very in-depth, but I want to break all that down to its simplest form to give you the opportunity to understand what exactly rope access is. Rope access could be described like a Swiss Army knife. Now, a Swiss Army knife has many different tasks that it can perform, and it's the one-stop shop. But without an operator, this Swiss Army knife is useless. Now, the point I'm trying to make about the Swiss Army knife is that rope access is not just simply for descending down the side of a building or structure in a straight line. With the proper operator and rigging, rope access can be extremely three-dimensional, both interior and exterior of your building or structure. So I invite you to subscribe and stay tuned while we here at MasterPoint Rope Access Solutions take you on a ride to better understand what we can do for you.